Gagaling talaga nila. Mas lalo silang gumaling. Like, legit. What's poppin', everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and TikTok and on Instagram. So we have here a new video from SB19. This was their full performance at 2025 Hito Pop Music Awards. So if I'm not mistaken, this is in Taipei. Taiwan ata to eh. So, I am so excited. No? Alam niyo naman, no? Low-key, I'm an 18. Okay? Siguro, I'm not part of the fandom yet. It's because gusto ko lang low-key lang tayo, no? But if you guys have been following me, alam niyo yan, solid ako sa SB19. Anyway, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay? Enjoy natin. Let's go!
80s, are you ready? 2025 Hito Music Award. We welcome SB19.
Woo! Let's go. Sobrang sikat na talaga ng mga boys, no? So, ano to? Intro video. Dam to. Oh, sabi ko na nga eh. Dam. Woo! Ooh, this is ugly. Sasabihin ko sana saan yung mga backup dancers. Ito pala oh. Let's go, Philip. Stel. Justin. Pablo to. Woo. Ang hirap kantahin nito, dapat maangas ka talaga eh. Hindi to pwede sa mga singers na ano, pa-cutie-cutie kumanta. Let's go, Pablo. Woo! Nice. Swabe nung pasok ni ano Justin ah. Okay, dance break to. Woo! Eh, para may ano fusion ng b-boy ah. Oh. Ha. Gagaling talaga nila. Mas lalo silang gumaling, like legit. full of confidence. Wala ka nang mafe-feel na kaba. Pakiramdam. Yeah. Woo! Okay, ito yung gusto kong sabihin. It's been a few years, 'di ba, na nasa industry yung SB19. And I've reacted to them many times and marami na din akong sinabi about sa kanila. But I think I've never said this before. Na-realize ko lang, no, kapag kasi I'm listening to SB19 na I'm always thinking about ano ba talaga yung something sa SB19 na mga songs na di ko ma-explain, 'di ba? Di ko ma-explain, kaya nagtatanong ko sa sarili ko. I'm thinking, di ko kasi ma-explain ano bang meron sa SB19? Ano bang meron sa mga kanta nila na very unique na kapag narinig mo SB19 talaga. Nung narinig yung Dam, sabi ko, ganda ng pagkagawa nito. Yun nga, na-realize ko na yung mga kanta nila is very dramatic and theatrical, no? Yung may mga second voices ba, yung may mga naka-overlay na mga sound effects na sila lang din yung mga ganun-ganun, very dramatic, no? Hindi lang sa lyrics, no? Kundi talaga they're expressing a certain emotion talaga na talagang they want it to incorporate hindi lang sa kung paano mo siya kantahin, but talagang nilalagay nila sa lyrics, sa phrasing, sa mga parts, sa pagtagpi-tagpi ng mga ng mga overlay ng mga effects, no? And galing talaga ng SB19. One of the main reasons siguro na ganun is because of, I'm assuming it's Pablo. Kasi Pablo is their composer and alam naman natin na nagtutulungan sila, but I think the main reason that anchors that uniqueness ng grupo is si Pablo. Doon ka. Let's go. I've reacted to this. So, if hindi nyo pa nakita, panoorin nyo lang. Thank you. Sabay na sabay. Ha 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 ha. Sino ang choreographer nila, no? Magaling yung choreographer nila. Woo! Grabe, Castel. Di ba sabi kasi, hindi pwede sa mga pa-cutie-cutie na singers. Ito mga kanta nila. Dapat energetic ka, maangas ka. Yeah! Grabe ka naman, Stel. Woo! Grabe. Sino ba to? Di ko kilala yung isang grupo. So I'm assuming kanta to nung bagong dating na grupo. So let me know in the comment section sino tong grupo na to ah. Woo! Marumi. So transition lang 'yun, yung isang kanta before Gento. Okay. Hey. Dance break ulit. Effortless na silang gumalaw. Effortless. Woo! Let's go, Pablo. Partida, third song na to ah. Hey. Du. Agay. Sino ba tong grupo na to? Hey. Galing ni Pablo ah. Hey. Woo! Let's go. Galing, galing, galing. Ang galing. Even their confidence, their effortless singing and dance move, yung body language nila sa stage, us a glimpse of the experience or kind of experience na meron sila. And I think given all those things na nakita ko, I think ito yung peak form ng SB19 as a group and individually. Now, maybe they can explore more in terms of individual careers, no? But in terms of group, ito ata yung peak form, okay? Nasa peak sila ngayon ng pagiging SB19 and effortless. That was an effortless performance, no? And 3 songs yun I don't know if full song yung dalawa, but then 13 minutes ang haba, no. Ano na yun? Talagang it requires a certain level of energy na talagang kailangan mo ma-sustain from the beginning until the end. And yung stamina nila, no, both in singing and dancing, incredible. Incredible. Hands down, hands down, hands down. Good job, good job. So if you guys are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.